It's pumpkin season and I have a new recipe for you, so stay tuned. Hi everyone, welcome back to Nancy's Love Kitchen. Today we're gonna make a pumpkin rice, a new recipe that I'm gonna create. I've never made before, so wish me luck. We're gonna get started soon. So this is gonna be a pumpkin rice dish. We're gonna have some chicken with it and dates and raisins, so it's gonna have a little sweet and salty taste to it. So I have some pumpkins that we chopped up. I'm not gonna lie, I had a little help before doing this because it was not easy cutting up this baby. So, but it's all chopped up, it looks beautiful, and they're cubed up, and we're ready to go. All right, so I'm gonna cook the chicken first because we need that to go over rice when the rice gets ready. So let's get started with the chicken. I have some chicken thighs in here and chicken breast, but you can use whatever cut chicken you would like. Some chicken. I'm gonna add a little bit of turmeric just to give it some color. We're gonna give it that beautiful orange fall color. And I have one onion that I chopped up into 8 pieces. I'm gonna put that in there. That onion will take away the gamey taste of chicken. And we're gonna add some water in here and get it cooking. Here we go, some water. You wanna fill it up to cover the chicken. Gonna add some salt, and that's where the saltiness comes in, and some fresh ground black pepper. We're gonna bring this to a boil, cook it for about 20 minutes. All right, so I'm gonna be boiling some water here for the rice that I soaked a couple of hours ago, and then I'm gonna put some turmeric in there as well to give it color. Okay, here's the water boiling, and it looks like that because of the turmeric we put in there. We're gonna add the rice, and we're gonna cook this for maybe just 5 minutes or until it starts to boil, because you don't wanna cook it too much. If you do, then that's when the rice gets mushy. So just, you know, until you start seeing it boiling a little bit, and then we're gonna take it off and strain it. So the rice I'm using today is basmati rice. This is long grain. If you look, you can see that it's like, you know, getting longer. I'm gonna just let it boil for a couple of minutes. You don't want to boil it too much because again, that's when it gets mushy. Okay, so I strained the rice. Now we're gonna cook the rice with the pumpkin. I'm gonna add a little bit of avocado oil in my pot. You wanna circle that around, make sure the whole pot is covered with oil because you don't want your rice to stick. I'm gonna add some rice to the bottom of the pot. And we'll add a little bit of pumpkin. We're gonna keep layering this until the whole pot is filled with rice and pumpkin. I'm gonna add the rest of the pumpkin. Mix it up a little bit. You want to turn down the heat to medium and maybe on the lower side a little bit so we don't burn the bottom of the pot. And we're going to cover this and let it cook for about 30 minutes. All right, here we go. This is where the sweet part comes in. Our dates and our raisin. Turn this up a little bit. You want to keep mixing it so you don't burn any of that goodness in there. Here it looks, guys. Look at it. This is what you want it to look like. The raisins change color a little bit, the dates change color a little bit, and that's all we want. So I'm gonna turn it off and wait for the rest of the stuff to cook. All right, let's dig in here, see what we did. Looking good so far. Wow. I'm gonna put some rice in first. I'm gonna get another plate, or a bowl, I should say. Add a piece of chicken. Put some broth in here. Smells delicious. And I'm gonna add the raisins and the dates over our rice. There we go. Looking good so far. All right, here's the moment of truth. I'm gonna give this a try and let you know how it tastes. And if you guys like it, you're gonna make it at home. Leave a comment for me. Let me know how it is. So let's dig in, guys. The moment of truth. Whew. I have some chicken broth that I'm gonna add on here. Make sure you have a piece of your pumpkin, some raisin, rice, and the chicken all in one spoon. Wow, this is delicious. Hold on, one more bite, guys, one more bite. It's sweet, it's salty, it tastes like fall. It's perfect for this weather. I can't wait for you guys to make it. Leave a comment for me, let me know how you like it. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button. We're gonna come to an end now. Until next time, see ya.